G'day groomers, just thought I'd do a quick video on the Heiniger Saphir clipper that I'm about to service and how I determined whether it needs a minor service kit or a major service kit. So if we turn it on, it's quite rattly, noisier than usual, and if we look carefully you can see there the blade drive is quite worn. It's almost pointed, so that's well and truly used. It should have a square end on it, not so much the diagonal, so that definitely needs replacing. Now the minor kit has the foam block, the new circlip and the blade drive, whereas the major kit has the bearing, the drive cog, the button, foam block, blade drive and the hinge. Now to determine whether it needs a new hinge, sometimes it can be really obvious because this button won't have any tension behind it because the spring is broken. Another indicator too is, so that's now engaged, and you'll see that there's no movement from that hinge, that I'm unable to sort of pry it back. Now if the hinge is worn or if that blade spring is broken, you'll find that you'll be able to pull that blade back off the blade drive and it won't cut effectively. So for this one, sounds pretty ordinary. It looks like it just needs the blade drive replaced, and this hinge is good for another day, and it's quite rigid as well. Another thing to look for, because this also includes the bearing could be worn out, or this drive cog also chewed out, and in that case then it's more cost effective to replace everything in this packet, a major service kit, rather than just purchasing this single bearing and drive wheel by itself, if that was the issue. Alright, we'll give that a bit of a service and then see how it sounds after that. Rightio, we're all done. Don't know if you can tell in the video, but that's heaps quieter. Hinge is still not moving. Everything inside looked fine. You can see we've put that new blade drive in, nice and square. Here's the old one, looking pretty ordinary. It's had a good life, that's for sure. But that same drive cog that was originally inside this machine, cleaned it out, put fresh grease in, good as new. Hope you found this helpful. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so already. Thank you.